हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू करियर्स 360। सो क्विकली मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी रिगार्डिंग द ओवरऑल एनालिसिस ऑफ 24 जनवरी सेशन 1 इवनिंग शिफ्ट 2 के बारे में। सो ओवरऑल जो बच्चे कह रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर वी हैव टेकन दीज स्टेटमेंट्स। बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग कि द एग्जाम वाज ओवरऑल मॉडरेट कंपेयर टू 24 जनवरी मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट। The evening shift was almost similar. Difficulty level में देखा जाए, mathematics was on the upper side, followed by chemistry and then physics basically. Chemistry and mathematics were lengthy, but physics was doable based on the formula. The paper was bit difficult with respect to January 2025 shifts. There were 2 to 3 questions in chemistry and physics section that were statement based. अब हम बात करते हैं सेक्शन वाइज डिफिकल्टी लेवल के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं फिजिक्स के बारे में। ओवरऑल डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ द जेईई मेन 24 जनवरी इवनिंग शिफ्ट फिजिक्स सेक्शन वाज इजियर देन द मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट। द पेपर वाज इजियर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू मैथमेटिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री। ज्यादातर क्वेश्चंस क्लास 11th के आए हैं इन फिजिक्स सेक्शन। अब बात करते हैं मैथमेटिक्स सेक्शन के बारे में। ओवरऑल डिफिकल्टी लेवल ऑफ दिस मैथमेटिक्स सेक्शन was moderate to hard as predicted basically. The questions were lengthy basically, and they required the careful calculation, making effective time management extremely important. This shift's math section was relatively tougher in comparison to physics and chemistry. Students took near about 1 hour 10 minutes to solve the questions of mathematics. Wow. Now let's talk about the chemistry section. So the overall difficulty level of the chemistry section JEE Main 24 January evening shift was difficult with respect to morning shift and 23rd, 22nd and 21st January shifts. Chemistry paper was very difficult to solve. The paper has almost statement based and 3 to 4 assertion reasoning questions. The paper was doable for them who went through proper revision. Inorganic chemistry had a higher weightage as compared to physical and organic chemistry. Students took around 60 minutes to solve the chemistry questions, and there were 2 to 3 questions of the combined concepts basically from various topics. So this was the overall analysis. I hope that your paper went well. Well, dear ones, I'll be coming live sharply at 6:30 p.m. on BTech 360 channel to have an overall analysis of the paper along with solution of few questions that we are going to get from the student side with respect to chemistry. So join me in the live session. Till then, take care and bye-bye.